everyone. Thank you for coming to my channel, Christina's Favorite Bracelets. And I just want to tell you, we do have a winner for the raffle, and I'll announce it at the very end. So let's get started and just make this bracelet and these earrings really, really quick. And as usual, I always appreciate you taking the time out to look at my channel, going to my store, making some of your purchases, and everything else along that line or those lines. Thank you very much. And as you can see, I have already started a bracelet, which I like very, very much. For some reason, I don't know why, but it's easier for me. Everyone is different. I like preparing the clasp at the very end, but this bracelet is only halfway done. As you can see, I have these wonderful, wonderful beads or charms coming down at the end, and I hope that you like it. And a pair of earrings and the rest of this bracelet is going to be added. So let's just get started. So I have a few pieces of, as you can see, a gold tone wire here. They're about 3 inches long, 2.5, 3 inches long. And so I have some wonderful, I'm telling you, I have some bead caps here that I really, really like, silver bead caps. And I think they're cute. They'll do the job. Someone will like them. I know I don't usually use bead caps in some of my designs, but you know, bead caps are very, very nice, and they are beneficial, and they add a special look onto your beads. That's the one thing that I have learned. You know, so I'm learning like everyone else to use certain things that I'm not usually familiar with or that I don't usually use. And so I like bead caps so far. So far it's nice. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to take my flat nose. I'm going to hold this. This is very soft, this wire, so I think I'll just use my hand. Oops. All the time. It never fails. It never fails. So I think I'll just try to give it one more wrap. That's good. I'm going to leave that like that for a second. I'm going to come to this end. I'm going to straighten it back up. I'm going to take the bead cap. Make sure I put it in the middle of the hole, because one of the things that I was doing was I was putting the bead cap on, but it kept going into different holes. It wasn't going into the middle hole. So that was important for me to have that in the middle hole. I've been doing a couple of these, so I kind of have an idea of how large the circle should be. So let's do this, because I really, really, really want to announce the winner. You know, guys, I'm going to have another raffle very soon. This time, I really appreciate if y'all follow the directions. I was like kind of hurt that not too many people, you know, follow the directions. And like only a few did. And I want to tell you later on how many did. But we have one winner. And so they're going to get the things that I have been talking about. I do want to apologize a great deal for it taking such a long time. I just want to let you know I am going to go back to, now that I'm feeling better, my schedule is not as hectic as it was before. I am going to go back to producing 2 videos per week. That's what I'm comfortable with. And that's the limit of what I can do at this time. So that's what I'm going to go do. But for you guys that, you know, come back and watch and make purchases and share my videos with other people and talk about it among your friends, I want to say thank you. I appreciate it a great deal. So that's that. We should be finished this. See, it's not even taking that long. Look at that. And I straightened it out like that so it wouldn't fall off. Everybody has to remember what I said. Everybody has their own method and their own groove of how they do things, and I have mine. I didn't want it to fall off, but I wanted the bead to be on. I hope I'm doing this correctly. And I'm going to tell you something. I take this out because it's always beneficial to use your flat nose all the time when you are doing something like this, making your wrap. And as usual, if the wire is really soft, you can use your hand or you can use your plier, which is ever easier for you. And as you can see, I'm trying to hurry up because I just want to put the bracelet together, show you guys. I'm really excited. I like this wire. It's not a... Make sure everything is sitting up. Not bad. I don't think I need another... Uh-oh, I think I made a mistake. I certainly did, which is fine. I'm going to show you the mistake that I made. It's a mistake, but then again, it's not a mistake. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I made a big mistake. Hold on. All right, so let's try this again. I'm going to take our wonderful bead cap, the silver one, very nice. This time I'm going to put it through the correct hole, not on the side or in the middle. I'm going to take my aqua faceted bead. I am just going to bend this, is easier for me, the end a little bit. And I better not forget the step, because that step that I forgot was very important. And I'll show you why. So I'm just going to come over. I'm going to come around just a little bit, not much. My pliers. It's easier for me to do this. Everyone is different. Right. Then I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to take my flat nose. I'm going to hold this. Ouch. Stuck my own self. Take my needle nose. I'm going to come around. One more time. Let's see. I don't need that many turns. So come over once more. I'll leave that like that. I have to come in here with this. Right? We're going to cut out a little part right here. Put that to the side. Okay, here we go, Christina. Remember what you have to do and why. So I'm going to take the bead cap. As you can see, I put it on. That's what it looks like. It's very pretty, as you can see. I'm going to take my round nose pliers. I'm going to come over. Twist it. Now I'm not going to go all the way in because... Let me leave a little opening right there. I think you already know why. Because I have to add this one on, that's why. And I forgot. Put it here. Let me wrap it around one time. I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to get my flat nose and hold it like that. Get my needle nose. Sorry about that. I'm going all across the camera. I should have it in front of me. You know, the way you look at things when you're setting something up in comparison to how it's going to appear on the video, sometimes you say, why didn't I do this? Why didn't I do that? And I usually take the plier and everything and put them on the side. For some reason, I have them up here. I don't know why. Maybe it's just easier for me at this time. Let's see. Yes, okay. Put this down, put this over here. I'm going to get this little part and clip it. Sometimes I wish they made these. Ah, bingo. That's how that came out. And of course I have my ear wire here, earring wire. Opened it. I'm going to grab either end, put this on. Close it up because you know how I do. Everyone else can close theirs up perfectly except me, but that's fine. I'm used to it. Ta-da! And look what I have here, guys. I really, really like those. I think they're really pretty. So I'm just going to lay them there for you to see. Now, let's just get to the other part with this bracelet. As you can see, I started, it already has its little charms on there. It's pretty. And I have, as you can see, where is it? 6mm jump rings. So what I'm going to do, I think you can kind of figure it out already. I should have both of these. Hold on. This type pliers I should have two, but I'm sorry I don't. I'm going to hook that part on. I'm going to close it up. Oops. Not difficult. Let's see. Take this. Open it up. Attach that one. Attach the other one. Oops. Of course it's going to fall off. What else is it going to do? Make sure it's closed up. Close it up. And take the other one. Attach it. I need to hold that, sorry. Attach that one. Close it up. Let me see how it looks. Let me lay it down. I think I can put the other one on. I only want the bracelet so big. And of course, you know, before I started it, I tested the length out and everything. But we know how that goes. Doesn't always work out. So let's see what happens. Okay. Look at that. Wow, I really like that color. Okay. So this part is supposed to go with this clasp right there, right? And wow, look at that. So as you can see, that is pretty big. So I think I put one bead on too many. Let's see. I know we like big bracelets, but we don't like them that big. Let's see. Now I did put it on 7. Yeah. I have one extra one. This is how you learn. Yeah. It should be between 7 and 7.5. So all is not lost, right? I could always leave that on. Hold on a second. All is not lost because I can take this and add that onto here, right? Hold on. Close it up. No, that's not going to work, right? Hold on. Again, well, everything is not lost. Hold on. Wasn't closed all the way good. See that? Solution time, baby. Not bad. Let's see. Again, it's always my intentions. The video not to be that long. Let's see. Not only that, if the person wants to, they can clasp it through there too and make it smaller. So let me just show you what I did. Put the 2 earrings that go here. Let me move this to the side. By the way, I believe this is 10 millimeter, that bead. Let me move this to the side. So if a person wants to, they can have that dangling down right there, depending on the size of their wrists. If they want to, they can put it there if they have a really big wrist. So of course, you know, I'm going to measure it. That's their choice if they want to. Or they can just... Oh, I see something. Hold on. This is how you learn through your mistakes. That's why I always watch your jewelry when you're making it. Sometimes, you know, individuals even that are very, you know, more professional than I am, they make errors. And they like to cover it up when they get off the camera. Oh, look at that. So the person can make it smaller and smaller if they want to. And that could be dangling down. I like that. I like that very, very much. Look at that, guys. It worked out well. And if you notice, a lot of times, that's when I'm taking my pictures with my jewelry, I usually put everything to the side. But being that we were on the camera, I'll just take everything and put it there like that. And you can see, and I think that is very, very pretty. What do you think? I think it's nice. So real quick, we have a winner of the raffle. And the individual that's going to win all these neat things in the package. I still have everything in the package. I didn't take anything out. I just put it to the side. Her name is Maria. And Maria sent in her 3 digits. Her 3 digits was 1, 2, 3. So Maria, you received an email. With the email, I sent you the instructions. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you again. So thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please be on the lookout for my next video. I will have another raffle. And this time, maybe I'll just make the instructions a little bit more simpler. I hope someone likes this set because it's very, very nice and is well put together. And someone's going to have a nice piece of jewelry. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Please take care and be safe.